and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you a free AI image generator and you'll be so happy, guys. Okay, so but first don't forget that you can find free coding projects in directory.com and you will find JavaScript, Python, Java and more and more and more. Okay, so let's go to our website. So first of all, you will write www.crayon.com, okay, and then you will get this free image generator. And here, as you can see, a lot of styles. By the way, of course there's a pro version of it, so you should buy the pro version to have many styles or of illustrations. So but as you can see here, for the free version you have a lot of free styles, so yeah, I think there's no need for the pro version. But yeah, if you want something real like this and this, so yeah, you need to pay. Okay, let's try it together. So let's write a small little girl. Okay, let's see. Draw now. You will just okay, as you can see here, these are the pro versions, and of course they want to show you the pro ones to just tell you that, hey guys, we can do a lot of stuff. But here you will wait a little bit until I think there's someone who's calling me. Okay, let's wait. By the way, you can see here all of these are the pros. As I told you, if you want the pro, wow, this is so beautiful. So as I told you, if you want the pro version, you can just buy it. Honestly, I didn't try the pro version. I only tried the free one because, as you know, I do have a blog, so I need some AI generated ones. As you can see here, it's good. Yeah, it's kind of good, guys. By the way, I do have a lot of other websites. Each one I will do a video for it because I don't want to make long videos. So as you can see here, you can choose the image that you want. You can just edit it or get it copy pasted into your blog or whatever. And oh, this is cute. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I just wanted to do it super small and short, and that's it. And don't forget, guys, to come to my website and get free coding projects. Okay, bye.